Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are doing good. So students, today we are going to read about our next chapter of social studies, that is chapter 3, and the name of the chapter is Movements of the Earth and Their Effects. Earth's movement and their effects. So we have already read and the earth like all other planets of the solar system moves around the sun. हम सबको पता है कि जितने भी प्लैनेट सोलर सिस्टम में अवेलेबल हैं वो सन के अराउंड मूव करते हैं. If you will take a globe and try to spin it from west to east, you will find the earth also spin in the same way. Now look at the globe again. You will notice that the globe is tilted at a particular angle. Just like the globe, the earth is also tilted. Now imagine a line drawn through the center of the earth joining the north and south pole, which we have seen in the chapter 2 longitude and latitude chapter, right? So this is the introduction part of the movement of the earth and their effect. The first movement of the earth is rotation. What is rotation? The spinning of the earth around its axis is called rotation. The axis has an angle of 23.5 degree and is a perpendicular to plane of Earth's orbit, which means Earth is tilted on its axis. हमने बात की थी चैप्टर 2 में एक्सिस क्या होता है. Yes, the top point. And because of this tilt, the northern and southern hemisphere lean in a direction away from the sun. The rotation of the earth divides it into light up, half and half dark, which gives rise to day and night. So effects क्या हुआ sun का बेटा? What will be the effect of rotation? The rotation of the earth causes day and night, right? When the earth rotates, only one part of the earth faces the sun, right? While the other part remains away from the sun. So the part that faces the sun receives sunlight and has day, while the other patch is in darkness and has night. So as the earth rotates from the west to east, the sun seems to rise from the east. This is the reason why places in the east get exposed to the sun first. Hence, their time is ahead of the time in places in west. Some of you may have friends or relatives in other countries. आपके कुछ रिलेटिव्स होंगे अदर कंट्रीज़ में. आप देखेंगे जब वहाँ पे नाइट होती है तो यहाँ पे डे होता है. Now you know why it has happened, right? So it is all about the rotation of the earth. What is the second movement of the earth? Yes, revolution. This is revolution. What is revolution? When rotating on its tilted axis, the earth also moves around the sun on a fixed path. This path is called the orbit. The earth completes one revolution in 365 and 1/4 days. We have only 365 days on our calendar. हमारे कैलेंडर में 1 ईयर में 365 डेज होते हैं. सो 1/4 जो डे है वो कहाँ पे यूज़ होता है? दैट इज़ एक्स्ट्रा डे विच इज़ यूज्ड इन एवरी 4th year to the month of February. Hence, February has 29 days every 4th year instead of 28 days. So, a year with 360 days is known as a leap year. So, the year 2016 is a leap year. See, you can calculate the next year. We'll ask you in the next session. All the other planets of the solar system also move around the sun in their own orbit. So, the time taken to move around the sun varies depending on their distance from the sun. So, sun में जो sun solar system में already planet other planets भी हैं वो भी अराउंड मूव करते हैं सन के अराउंड, बट उनका जो डिस्टेंस है उसके अकॉर्डिंग डिपेंड करेगा वो कितना टाइम कंज्यूम करते हैं. सो अर्थ के अराउंड मून भी मूव करता है, रिवॉल्व्स करता है. सो बट डिपेंड्स 27 days एक्स्ट्रा जो है मून लेता है ईच रिवॉल्यूशन में. So, students, like rotation is having its effect as in day and night. So, revolution also have some effects. Effects like the why we have the different seasons like summer, winter, spring, autumn, because of this only. Because of the revolution, we Earth faces different seasons: summers, winters, spring, autumn. When the northern hemisphere experiences summers in June, the southern hemisphere experiences winter at that time, and vice versa. You can see in this diagram the revolution of the earth around the sun and different seasons take place. So students, this is all about the chapter earth movements, that is rotation and revolution. Thank you so much.